I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the grain market. Today, soybeans really dropped hard, double digits. The tariff worries are really pressing the futures lower. The concerns really halted the demand from China, and so we don't have any exports really going towards that area. What they're really worried is if they buy some of the grain from the U.S., that by the time the shipping goes to China, the tariffs will be, will be put on some of that stock. And it seems that the tariffs could be added just days away because there are talks in Washington right now. No one's exactly sure as how well they're going. Commercials are also unloading some of their long positions, and I think that they have a little bit of an idea that there's worries that there's going to be big disruption in this market, especially that we're on the precipice of the planting season. So we're watching everything day to day and really close. Corn was mixed today. It seems that the national corn basis is really strong, but futures continue to move higher. And it looks like that we're going to try to aim for the high, which is $4.08. We haven't been above $4 in quite a while. And so, but perhaps we may not be ready for it yet. It seems that the market's sputtering a little bit and the rain is going to be hampering some of the planting. And so that gave the market a little bit of a boost. But with the U.S. dollar index so strong and the worries about the soybeans, there has been a little bit of spillover selling, and that's kind of keeping a lid on the corn right now. Wheat has been steady. It seems that futures firmed up a little bit on some short covering. Now, however, this little turnaround triggered a little bit of selling. So today the market opened a little bit stronger. Some selling came in. The weather is really bullish for wheat. It is hot and dry in the southwestern states, except globally our supplies are still pretty large. So fundamentally, it's bearish. That's why we have a little bit of an up and down look in the wheat market right now. But that's not to say that once we get start to get the spring weather coming in, that we could be off to the races. We don't really have the numbers for the winter wheat yet. So as soon as we get that, then we have a little bit better of an idea of where we're going for the summer planting. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.